Hello all of you, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the normal strain. So what is the normal strain? It is denoted as epsilon. We know that. So epsilon is equal to delta L by L. Delta L means what? The change in length to the original length. To the original length. So this L is the original length and delta L is the change in length. So this is the definition of the normal strain. Okay. So coming to a mathematically elaboration here. So epsilon is equal to, what is the del L? Suppose this is a body and we are applying a force P in this cross sectional area or in this axis. Okay, so the length of the beam is this is the original length L, denoted as L. This is the original length, and change in length, what is the change in length? After application of the force P, it will be elongate from here to here. You can see like this. Okay, so it will be elongate, suppose this much, from here to here it will be elongate. So this elongation is we can say from this point to this point, we can say delta L. Okay, this is the delta L. So how to find the delta L? This is the L means the original length, here to here the L, the original length, and here to here is the final length. LF means the final length. From final length to original length, when it will be subtract from final length to original length, then you will be get the delta L. So delta L is final length LF minus L0 is LO is the original length, divided by again L is the original length. Okay, so we have this things we have, then that implies LF the final length by LO original length minus LO by again LO. We can write this also. Again we can say this will be cancelled. Original length to original length is equal to LF by LO minus, this is the 1. Okay, this is the epsilon, this is the epsilon. Okay, so again here epsilon, ये जो -1 है इधर आ जाएगा, लेफ्ट आ जाएगा तो +1 हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू LF by L0 LO. Okay, here we will be find what is the final length. LF is equal to original length LO into epsilon plus 1. So here this is a normal strain equation to find the final length of a strained body. Okay, so again we can say how to find the normal strain formula. What are the normal strain formula? What is the normal strain formulas? So it's very easy. Suppose the strain act at the x-axis, we can say del U by del X. If the strain acts at y direction, then del V by del Y. If the strain acts at the z direction, then del W by del Z. So this is the normal strain formula. Here you have to remember. Okay, so it's quite very easy. U V W. Okay, and this is the del X, del Y, and the del Z. When the strain, you have to calculate the strain at x-axis, then it will be respect to its del X, and when you calculate the Y and Z axis, it's so on respectively. Okay, so thank you to all of you guys. See you in the next video. For more elaboration you can visit my YouTube channel. There you can get all things are very easily. So see you in the next video. Thank you.